Yeah, you good? You ready? We going?
Oh yeah.
All right, boys. Got a good field, probably like 200. Hunted at opening day, but we sucked. We only killed 13, and got a band. Got 7 guys today,
Big band guy, eh?
so should be able to get after them. Boys are finished and setting up, so hopefully we can get after them. Yeah, get 'em, boys. Birds go. Yep, 2-pack.
Right above the Amish.
I see him.
Yeah, I
See him? 2-pack. That call's pissing me off. Oh yeah, get ready, boys. Kill him. There we go, baby. Yeah, let's go. Kill him. Two down.
Is that you?
What?
Good shot.
No, I didn't shoot it off.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they landed. It's gotta kill this one still.
They'll die eventually. Somewhere in there.
Hey, a band or no?
No.
There we go. Yeah, you might want to put your GoPro on this side. Yeah. Let's go. Here we go, boys. 2 down. Look like big pack.
Coming straight at us.
Yep, I see him now. Alright. Your call's so loud. I don't want him to scare away or whatever. That's the only thing with that call, it's loud. Holy cow. They're turning. Alright, let's see what they do. Alright, get ready. Alright, let's see what they do. They're not low enough?
They're low.
Are we gonna shoot?
Oh, I hit. Oh, I hit one. Hey, I just went like, I went like 10 for 10 go.
Got one hit down low.
Where at?
Just get the dead one.
We're behind. Got some behind us.
Get in!
More coming behind. Yo, I finally hit one. I see the fold.
Behind us.
That's the other fly.
Since both of you are saying
Another pack coming.
I gotta load up a little bit here.
I wish we would have gotten here to fill that other one.
Fix that one.
Get some more fish. We'll put them right in front of the decoys. What? Yep. Gotcha. There it goes. Two more. Over here, bring him to these ones. These ones are the good decoys over here. One more.
This one keeps honking.
What? No. Let me pile 'em. I'm the picture guy. I'm all about the pictures.
Those upright ones. They look like a bent beak guys, right?
Yeah, the looker's beaks are bent. Looking in or
That don't have dive on.
journey. I got, I don't know, what, 11 birds today? Kind of bad shooting, but did alright. I don't know, one big flock came in at once, so it's kind of hard, but it's alright. So, hope you guys enjoyed.